If you are over 60 and you have been feeling tired all day, waking up already exhausted, running out of energy by early afternoon, feeling short of breath climbing a small flight of stairs, or simply noticing that the vibrant, energetic person you used to be has quietly faded, I want you to listen very carefully. Because what you are experiencing may not just be aging. It may be something much more common and much more fixable than most people realize. It is called low iron, and it is one of the most overlooked reasons older adults feel drained, foggy, weak, and older than they truly are. And there are 10 simple, everyday foods that leading researchers now believe may help gently rebuild your iron stores, restore your energy, and bring back the strength and clarity you thought you had lost forever. Stay with me until the end, because the 10th food on this list is the one that surprises people the most. It is inexpensive, easy to find, and probably already in your kitchen, yet almost no one thinks of it as an iron food. Understanding these 10 foods and how to eat them for the best absorption could gently change how you feel from the moment you wake up until the moment you go to sleep. Now, why does iron matter so much once you cross the age of 60? Here is the truth many people are never told. Iron is the mineral your body uses to build hemoglobin, the protein inside your red blood cells that carries oxygen from your lungs to every organ, every muscle, and every cell in your body. Without enough iron, your red blood cells cannot carry enough oxygen. And without enough oxygen, everything slows down. Your muscles feel weak. Your brain feels foggy. Your heart has to work harder just to keep you going, and your energy fades long before the day is over. Researchers estimate that up to 20% of older adults may have some degree of iron deficiency, and many of them have no idea. Symptoms can be subtle and easy to mistake for normal aging. Fatigue, shortness of breath, cold hands and feet, brittle nails, pale skin, restless legs at night, difficulty concentrating, a racing heart when you walk upstairs. Any of these can be quiet whispers from your body that your iron may be running low. Think of iron like the delivery trucks in a busy city. Every organ, every muscle, every thought depends on a steady supply of oxygen, and iron is what keeps those trucks running. When the trucks slow down, deliveries fall behind, and the whole city begins to struggle. That is exactly what happens inside your body when iron is low. The good news is this: iron is beautifully available in real, everyday food, and small, steady changes can gently rebuild your stores over time. Let us walk through the 10 best foods to do exactly that. And I will also share the simple trick that can dramatically improve how much iron your body actually absorbs. Let us begin with the first food, lean red meat, especially beef and lamb. If your doctor has not restricted red meat for you, small portions of lean beef or lamb are among the richest natural sources of what is called heme iron, the type of iron your body absorbs most easily. A modest 3-ounce serving of lean beef can provide about 2 to 3 milligrams of highly absorbable iron, along with high-quality protein, vitamin B12, and zinc, all of which support energy and muscle strength in older adults. Choose lean cuts. Prepare them simply, grilled, roasted, or gently pan-seared, and enjoy them 1 to 2 times a week. If you have kidney disease, heart disease, or your doctor has advised limiting red meat, please follow that guidance and lean more heavily on the other foods on this list. The second food is liver, especially chicken liver or beef liver. This one surprises many people, but liver is nature's most concentrated source of iron. A single 3-ounce serving of chicken liver can provide over 10 milligrams of iron, along with vitamin A, vitamin B12, folate, and a whole family of nutrients that support energy production at the cellular level. For many older adults, adding liver just once every 1 or 2 weeks can make a meaningful difference. If the taste feels strong, try it gently sautéed with onions and herbs, or blend it into a small amount of ground beef in a family recipe. If you take blood thinners or have been advised to limit vitamin A, please check with your doctor first. The third food is oysters, clams, and mussels. Shellfish are among the richest natural sources of iron on Earth, and they are also gentle on digestion. A modest serving of clams or oysters can provide more iron than a large serving of beef, along with zinc, vitamin B12, and selenium. For seniors who enjoy seafood, adding shellfish to your diet once or twice a week can be a delicious, powerful way to support your iron levels. Choose thoroughly cooked shellfish from a trusted source, and if you have gout, high cholesterol, or shellfish allergies, please speak with your doctor about the right amount for you. The fourth food is fatty fish and canned sardines. Sardines in particular deserve special attention because they are affordable, shelf-stable, easy to open, and remarkably rich in iron, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, and vitamin D. A single small tin of sardines can provide about 2 to 3 milligrams of iron, along with the healthy fats that calm inflammation and support your brain, heart, and joints. A simple lunch of sardines on true whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon is one of the most powerful, budget-friendly meals a senior can enjoy. The fifth food is eggs, especially the yolks. 2 whole eggs provide about 2 milligrams of iron, along with high-quality protein, choline for brain health, and vitamin D. Eggs are gentle on digestion, easy to chew, and endlessly versatile, which makes them one of the most senior-friendly iron foods available. Scrambled with vegetables, poached over greens, or hard-boiled as a snack, eggs can quietly support your iron stores every single day. The sixth food is dark leafy greens, especially spinach, Swiss chard, kale, and beet greens. 1 cup of cooked spinach can provide about 6 milligrams of iron, along with folate, magnesium, and vitamin K, all of which support healthy blood and steady energy. Leafy greens contain what is called non-heme iron, the plant form of iron, which is not absorbed quite as easily as the iron from meat. But here is the beautiful part. When you pair leafy greens with a source of vitamin C, such as a squeeze of lemon, a few slices of red bell pepper, or a small orange with your meal, absorption can increase dramatically. Imagine a 70-year-old woman named Ruth, whose fatigue had crept up on her over several years. She began adding a large handful of spinach to her lunch every day, cooked in olive oil with garlic and finished with a squeeze of lemon. Within 2 months, her energy began to return, and her next blood work showed her iron levels moving in a healthier direction. The seventh food is beans and lentils, especially lentils, kidney beans, chickpeas, and white beans. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides about 6 milligrams of iron, along with plant-based protein, fiber, folate, and magnesium. Beans and lentils are especially valuable for seniors who eat less meat, and they are gentle on the wallet, easy to store, and endlessly versatile. A warm bowl of lentil soup with a side of leafy greens and a squeeze of lemon can be a powerful, iron-supportive meal. The eighth food is pumpkin seeds. These small green seeds are one of the most concentrated plant sources of iron available, providing about 2.5 milligrams per ounce, along with magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. Pumpkin seeds are easy to carry, easy to enjoy, and beautifully versatile. Sprinkle a small handful on your morning oats, stir them in a plain yogurt, add them to salads, or eat them as a small afternoon snack. Choose them raw or dry roasted, and always unsalted when possible. The ninth food is quinoa and iron-fortified whole grains. Quinoa is a small, seed-like grain that provides about 3 milligrams of iron per cooked cup, along with all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete plant protein. Iron-fortified oatmeal, iron-fortified whole grain bread, and iron-fortified breakfast cereals can also be helpful sources for older adults, especially those who eat less meat. Check the labels and choose options with low added sugar and short ingredient lists. A warm bowl of iron-fortified oatmeal in the morning, topped with berries and a small handful of pumpkin seeds, is a beautiful start to the day. And now we come to the 10th food, the one that surprises people the most. Dark chocolate. Yes, real dark chocolate, ideally 70% cocoa or higher. Just 1 ounce of high-quality dark chocolate can provide about 3 to 4 milligrams of iron, along with magnesium, copper, and a family of plant compounds called flavonols that support healthy blood vessels and gentle blood flow. Because good circulation is essential for delivering oxygen throughout the body, dark chocolate offers a lovely combination of benefits in one small square. The important detail most people miss is this: it must be real dark chocolate, not sugary milk chocolate bars. Milk chocolate contains very little iron and far too much sugar, which actually works against your energy. Look for bars labeled 70% cocoa or higher, with sugar as a smaller ingredient near the bottom of the list. A small square or two, about half an ounce to 1 ounce a day, is plenty. Enjoy it slowly, let it melt on your tongue, and pair it with a few nuts or a small handful of berries for a delightful, energy-supporting treat. Now let me share the single most important trick for getting the most iron from your food, no matter which of these 10 you choose. Pair iron with vitamin C. Vitamin C dramatically increases the absorption of plant-based iron, sometimes by 2 to 3 times. A simple squeeze of lemon on your lentils, a few slices of bell pepper in your salad, a small orange alongside your breakfast, or a handful of strawberries after lunch can transform how well your body uses the iron you eat. At the same time, there are a few things that quietly block iron absorption. Coffee and tea, especially black tea, contain compounds called tannins that can significantly reduce iron absorption when consumed with meals. If you enjoy coffee or tea, try to drink them at least 1 hour before or after your iron-rich meals rather than during them. Calcium supplements and calcium-rich foods can also compete with iron absorption. So if you take a calcium supplement, consider taking it at a different time of day from your main iron-rich meal. So how should you bring these 10 foods together for the best energy after 60? Think in terms of building small, steady iron-rich moments throughout the day. A simple sample day might look like this. Breakfast: 2 eggs scrambled with a handful of spinach and a small glass of orange juice or a few slices of orange. Lunch: a warm bowl of lentil soup with a squeeze of lemon, a side salad with bell peppers, and a small piece of true whole grain bread. Snack: a small handful of pumpkin seeds and a few dried apricots. Dinner: a modest portion of lean beef, chicken, sardines, or beans, alongside plenty of vegetables and a small serving of quinoa. Evening: a small square of dark chocolate as a treat. There are also a few common mistakes to avoid. Do not start taking iron supplements on your own without a blood test. Too much iron can be harmful, especially for older adults, and iron levels should always be checked before supplementing. Another mistake is expecting instant results. Iron levels rebuild slowly, usually over 2 to 3 months of consistent, iron-rich eating. And do not overlook the importance of stomach acid. As we age, our stomach acid naturally decreases, which can reduce how well we absorb iron and other minerals. If you take acid-blocking medications, please speak with your doctor about whether they may be affecting your iron levels. And please remember this: if you are experiencing significant fatigue, shortness of breath, dizziness, unexplained weight loss, blood in your stool, or any unusual symptoms, do not try to manage it with food alone. Speak with your doctor and ask for a simple blood test to check your complete blood count, ferritin, and iron studies. Iron deficiency in older adults sometimes points to an underlying issue that needs proper evaluation. Food is powerful, but it works best alongside good medical care, not instead of it. The key takeaway is simple. After 60, your energy is not gone forever. It may simply be waiting for the right raw materials to return. Lean red meat, liver, shellfish, sardines, eggs, dark leafy greens, beans and lentils, pumpkin seeds, quinoa, and dark chocolate form a beautiful, powerful, everyday foundation that supports the oxygen delivery, red blood cell production, and steady energy that make you feel like yourself again. If this message spoke to you, I would love to hear from you. Which of these 10 foods do you already enjoy? Have you ever had your iron levels checked? And did the results surprise you? And where in the world are you watching from today? Your story might be exactly what another viewer needs to read. Take care of your body. Feed the delivery trucks that carry oxygen to every corner of you. And remember, small daily choices, repeated with love and patience, are what truly shape a long, strong, and independent life.